my next question, Rajan sir, as a developer of large-scale projects, you must be facing this challenge right now. So, what is your take on this, and what initiatives you are taking about it?
Yeah, good afternoon. And first of all, I would like to congratulate entire Mahi team. I think I'm seeing from the morning, practically the hall is full. A round of applause for entire Mahi team as well as Neredco Secretariat. And most important, I'd be failing in my duties if I don't mention the name of Sri Durga Shankar Mishra and Hardeep Singh Puri. Because why I am telling you this, the real estate industry is generally a male-dominated industry. Very few females, even though our president and chairman, they were telling we have so many female workers, but these workers are in sales or post-sales or reception in such a job profile only. So when Durga Shankar Mishra we met, he told कि मैं जब भी देखता हूँ तो आप सारे लोग जो भी, he told in his word कि only men are here. Why don't you involve some glamour in a inverted comma, what I mean to say, don't take it in real sense, some glamour to that. कि I need not have to see only your faces. So that's why we started, and it has begun such a big this thing. Very congratulations and all the best for doing an excellent work. Of course, see, real estate industry, prior to RERA, it was known as, अगर किसी को भी मैं बोलता हूँ कि मैं बिल्डर हूँ, तो सामने वाले के अभी भी काफ़ी लोगों के चेहरे पे हंसी आ रही है, मतलब एक ग्रिम आता है, स्माइल आता है, बिल्डर, अच्छा आप बिल्डर हो, मतलब वो मन में क्या सोचता है वो पता नहीं है. But thanks to RERA, and once again I would like to tell that Neredco has played a very, very vital and important role in following the RERA, coordinating with the government, because when I am telling you builder मतलब smile आता है, उसका ये था कि R of respect was not at all there in real estate industry. Even though in R is there in real estate, but R of respect was missing. So when RERA came, we thought that this is the one thing which is going to differentiate us from men from boys. So automatically we thought that this is the thing which we should do. And I had one conception and a proven track record that whichever industry is regulated, it was doing well. So मुझे कुछ सोचना नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, मैं बोला आँख बंद करके इसको follow करो. No doubt we did it. Second is that, many of you know, real estate is the second largest employer after agriculture. But unfortunately, it is for unskilled. There comes the people sitting on the panel. They are important because skilling is very, very important. I always feel where there is a gap, you have an opportunity. So skilling was not treated as important aspect, क्योंकि जो भी आदमी लगता था कि बाबा वो हट्टा कट्टा है तो उसको तुरंत नौकरी मिलती थी, उसका रोजाना मिलता था. But now the times have changed. We have gone into multi-storied, delivering fast. RERA has come. RERA is once again coming for quality. You have to give defect liability quality for 5 years guarantee. So everybody has become responsible. So this has come to skilling. And answering your question, once again the credit goes to Hardeep Singh Puri and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji कि whenever we used to go to Maua for any work, they used to tell ये काम तो हम करेंगे लेकिन पहले बताओ आप skilling के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं. I'll be very honest, skilling करने से मुझे as a developer वैसे कोई फायदा उस वक्त दिखता नहीं था when we started 5, 6, 7 years back. Now I know how important it is. But because they forced us, we went into skilling. Once again, I would like to give credit to entire skilling team at Secretariat. They have already trained more than 100,000 people. A round of applause, I think they really deserve. Yeah, but the numbers can be increased provided each and every developer feels the importance and he sees to it that his people working in their organization get skilled. Most important aspect, ma'am, the way you are telling, there were engineers, but they are not proper because our education system, what happens?
Yes.
We just teach them theory.
So
It's
we're
not
going to
practical.
come to that with Jyoti ma'am, because
Yeah.
she's from academia.
So,
We
so
will.
that's a missing link which we should bridge the gap and where NEREDCO is playing an important role.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your answer, sir.